Welcome to 2byte Code. I'm Divyanshu and I'm back again with another video. Well, in this video we are going to see how we can scroll horizontally as well as vertically. Well, you might be aware of list view, but we are going to use single child scroll view to scroll horizontally and vertically. And I'm also going to tell you what is the difference between list view and single child scroll view. So here, as you can see, I have this body. Let's pass a widget which is center. But first, let me reload this app. So now we have nothing on the screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass a child to it, inside which I will pass a column. Not color filtered, but column. Inside which I will pass some bunch of containers. Well, let us look at inside it. We have this width as a double dot infinity because I want to cover all the horizontal space present to the container. And then I have this height as 200. Then I have this color. All these are self-explanatory. So now when I reload this, I have an error. This error says bottom overflowed by 497 pixels. It is because column by default is not scrollable. So we have to make it scrollable. So what I will do is I will wrap this with a widget which is single child scroll view. Now the error has gone and now we can scroll in the screen as well. But what if I want to change from vertical scroll to horizontal scroll? So first of all, I need to pass a row here, and I also need to change this width because I don't want it to be infinite. I want it to be fixed. So hit Ctrl F on your keyboard and right here double dot infinity. Let me bring it down. Click here and you will find this. Now I want to replace it with 200. Let's say 160. So now I have containers with width 160 and height 200. This has simply replaced all the instances of the double dot infinity. So now when I reload this, I still have an error, but the containers are placed horizontally. Now to resolve this error, we just need to pass the axis of this single child scroll view because by default it is vertical. So here in the scroll direction, I will pass axis dot horizontal. Now when I hit reload, the error should go away. Yeah, exactly, the error has gone. Now we can scroll horizontally as well. Now let me tell you what is the difference between list view and single child scroll view, because the same thing can be done in list view as well. The major difference between the list view and the single child scroll view is the widget tree is treated as a widget in case of single child scroll view, but in case of list view it is treated as an individual elements. So each item renders in the list view, but in the single child it is treated as one. So this was the major difference between single child scroll view and the list view. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like and also subscribe to the 2byte Code.